Hello guys, this is Daniel again, Clean Exterior, and working on my rig here. And I am working on the setting up the aluminum reels. The real deal from Southeast Softwash. And just laying it out just to see, have an idea how I'm gonna be dealing with everything. I still need to put the downstream bypass here and see how that's gonna work. Or maybe it's gonna go somewhere else, I don't know where, but this is how it looks like for now. I am very limited in space, so I'm trying to make the most of it. Okay, let's see how I'm gonna put this. I think they're gonna go like this, like how it is right now, but and let me put the remote bypass just to see how it works. Okay, so here's the remote bypass, and it doesn't matter where I put it. If I put it forward more than it is already, or even backwards, I'm still gonna be either hitting this big head over here, or I'll either hit the hose when I'm reeling the reel here, which is gonna be for the soft washing hose. So this thing needs to go somewhere else. Maybe right here. I don't know. No, can't go over here. Anywhere on this corner is going to be just too far. So we'll probably be going somewhere around here. Probably. The thing is, I still need to hook up my what do you call it, my mixer for the soft wash pump on the hose, and also find an area for the battery, and hook up these things, the filters. Although I may eliminate it, it's probably not gonna be here. It's probably gonna be ending up going on that side, because that way everything is accessible from that end. I'm not sure. I like to have everything like in the back of my truck, easily accessible. So still don't know yet. At least this thing is gonna disappear, and it's gonna go all the way to the corner over there. Yeah. Now I'm gonna lay out. Well, the reels are already laid out, so I just need to drill the holes in the plywood, and then screw the reels with the with lag screws, and one washer for each lag screw, and that's it. That's what I had previously on my other setup for that reel, which is heavier than this, and it's working perfectly. It worked perfectly, so I don't see any reason why doing the same thing shouldn't work. So Okay, let's see what to do. Thankfully I'm not going to be using any swivels. I thought this reel were going to be coming with swivels, just the basic ones, but surprisingly they didn't. I know that one came with a swivel, and the soft washing reel that I have on the other truck also came with a swivel. I don't know, but thankfully I'm not going to be using a swivel from this one or on this reel. This is for the garden hose, and this is for the pressure washing line. No swivel. I don't need anything going inside the manifold. No liquids, no SH, no water on neither of these, because I just don't have any use for it. I'm gonna be bypassing the reels for the garden hose pressure washer reel. I'm gonna bypass it. Everything with quick connects, and I'm even considering doing the same thing for the pump reel. Split my hose into 2 or 4 sections, maybe 3, with banjo fittings. Pull what I need, disconnect it, and connect it back to something like over here maybe, and that's it. Don't need anything else. But for now I'm going to be hooking a swivel here, which is this one that I use for the pressure washer. It's just sitting there doing nothing. See here, it's still in great condition. Yeah. Or I may even disconnect the one that I use for the one that I have on the other side, on the other truck. Okay, let me screw all of these reels. Okay, so 2 of the reels are mounted. The reel for the power washing and the one for the garden hose. And they are not going anywhere. Okay. I like the reels, the design and everything. The only exception for this reel will be the handle here. These handles, when I received them, I got all excited and forgot to clean them. They usually come with debris inside, so you have to be careful and just make sure this is clean before you install the handle into the manifold, because it's going to be a pain to take off. I don't know what's the deal with this actually, but I don't know. Just be careful about that. Just note that you may struggle to take them off if you don't clean the handles, like little bits of metal from here and also from the manifold. Just clean it before you install it. Okay. So I already installed the swivel on this end, which is going to be temporary. I'm gonna eliminate this later in the future, because I'm going to be splicing my hose into 2, maybe 3 or 4 sections, and everything's gonna have aluminum banjos barb on something that I can disconnect. That's gonna eliminate the need for the swivel or put in chem and water and whatnot to the manifold, which is completely unnecessary. I'm going to bypass all of my reels. That way I'm going to get the longest lifespan out of this reel. Alright? Okay, there you go. Let me finish installing this and putting this reel on the wood platform there. Okay, it's there now. I removed the piece of this handle here, just so I can have better precision when installing this part of the handle to the manifold, just in case I want to remove it in the future. But I know this one gave me a hard time removing it yesterday, so again, make sure you clean the handles and the manifold so it doesn't have any kind of debris. But I like this design. Very heavy duty. This thing is not going anywhere, that's for sure. It's not gonna be like this thing here. This has gotten loose several times, and every time that I had to reel my hose, I had to tighten this, which was becoming a headache. So this is a much better design. I know I'm gonna have any problem with this. This goes like this, and then you put the other knot here. There you go, about 320 foot of pressure washing hose. Now I'm going to be installing the soft washing hose. Okay, I already plumbed the soft washing hose. I got this 1/2 inch yellow hose. I haven't seen it in the field really, but I'll see how it performs. And I was hoping that it will be a little bit thinner, but it's not. Okay, we'll see. Excuse the mess here. I'm just trying to see if I have any leaks. So I have my line, water line, going from the tank to the mixer. This line here, and then I will be sucking with the pump, of course, from this line that goes straight to the 3-way valve. And right now it's set to work with the pump. So the pump is going to be sucking water only. Everything is closed. Okay, I have the battery connected. Let's see if I have any leaks or anything like that, which is my objective for today. And it's, of course, I have to plug this. Okay, there we go. Let's see the water pumping. Any leaks? Nothing so far. Leaks from here. Nothing so far. Let's wait until it gets over here. Okay, there you go. Wait for a couple of minutes. Not a minute, a few seconds, just to see if there is any leaks with the pressure buildup inside of all these connections. Nothing here. Nothing here, of course. Nothing here. What about here? I don't see anything. No water dripping. Okay. Anything here? Nope. 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 No leaks. Just perfect. Okay. Let's test the range on this. Right there. Come on. Okay, let's do another check now that the air is gone from the lines. Okay, that's not gonna leak. I have it for like a year and I don't have any leaks on that setup, on that gun over there. No leaks here. Any leaks here? Nope. What about here? Nothing. No leaks here. Or here. Or here. Beautiful. Everything's working as it should. The only thing I missed from my old the blue hose is the swivel. It had a swivel on the end here. This doesn't, which is kind of annoying. So. Kind of weak. I mean the range. I don't know how many feet that is, but I'll check. Okay, so from here, where this step ladder is, actually where the gun is, up to that, like in the middle of this bottle of water, it's almost, let's see, 35 feet. From here all the way over there, it's 35 feet. Very, very short, it seems, for 35 feet. So, but I guess that's what I can only expect from this hose, this size of hose. And I don't know, maybe my battery, I haven't used it for a while. It's been sitting in my house for like, what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So, but I think it's kind of nice. I mean, for sure I was expecting it to be, I was expecting the range to be, oh, it's picking up now. Okay. Okay, so almost 38 feet. Okay, that's nice to me. Let's see. Okay, enough of that. All right, so everything is working as expected. So I'm gonna leave it up to here. I still need to organize all of this, plug the hose for the cam and one for the soap, and then at some point during this week or the next, I'm going to change my setup for the garden hose. And I think that's it. Okay guys, like and subscribe, post any questions in the comment section if you have any, and I'll see you tomorrow for our roof cleaning that we have, partial roof cleaning and 2 house wash. Thank you for watching.